What's up, folks? How you doing? I'm Trent Sanders, and you're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. 1 month vegan challenge is in full effect. Guys, do not cheat the system. Do not cheat the process. Do not cheat yourselves and be out there eating meat and stuff and still trying to be a vegan at the same time. It don't work that way. You know, if you wound up eating meat somewhere along the line, you need to speak up, let your voice be heard, and say, I'm sorry. I'm really going to do this the right way. I told you guys here on the infamous Living Room Network, the only item that we're going to eat that we should not eat, and we're going to say that it's eligible for us to eat, is salmon. Just make sure that it's not fried. Let's get right down into it. How to use prayers and meditation to manifest anything. Now, this really works, folks. This absolutely works. I've done it several times and I've experimented with it numerous times and I've actually seen the results. So if you're a person out there who's doubting that, you know, meditation works, or, you know, your prayers are actually getting answered and that you can manifest anything or whatever, if you're doubting all this, I need you to confirm to yourself right now and say that it works. So go ahead and say it, folks. Even if you know it works, just say it right now. Say it works. Say it. Say it works. Alright, so that's the first thing that we got to get used to, folks. We got to get used to talking to the universe. You know, I know this sounds like really, you know, superficial. The average person would say, oh, you know, that's some bull crap. You believe in this stuff. That's because they not in tune. They not conscious. You know, they not enlightened. They don't know nothing about prayers and nothing. You know, and so that's why they don't never have the things that they want in life. You know, and so one thing you got to realize is that this all-powerful universe hears everything that we speak into existence. Every thought that we're thinking, every move that we make. You see what I'm saying? So the universe has an invisible control over our lives, whether we know it or not. And so when it comes down to prayer, this works, folks. We got to get back in the habit of praying. And I mean like closing your eyes and really praying out your prayer to the universe. Really letting God know how it is that you feel. And so the way to get this to work is prayer. This is what prayer is. Prayer is you speaking out to the universe, to God, you know, whatever your wishes are, but at the same time, you have to let the universe know what you cannot do, what you're unable to do. You know, how much you've tried to make it work, but you couldn't make it work. You gotta really be vulnerable. You gotta really speak the truth out about what it is that you want, why you want it, what you're gonna do when you get it, why you don't have it. You gotta speak all that stuff into existence, because what this is that you're speaking out the truth, and the truth will set you free. The truth will make your path straight. You know, I know that sounds kind of weird, but what I'm saying in so many words is whatever it is that you want to manifest, you got to make sure that when you are praying, you say exactly what you want to manifest, why you want to manifest it, you know, by the time you want to manifest it, how you want to manifest it. You got to have a good enough reason for the judge to say, okay, I grant your wish. I grant your wish. It's just like going to court, folks. You're standing up in front of the judge. You're the plaintiff. You got a defendant over there. The defendant is always going to tell you your lower self, your egotistical mind. Your defendant is always going to go against why you should have what you want. But you have to have your paperwork together when you go to the judge. When you speak into the universe, you have to be able to tell the universe the right things versus what the defendant is telling you. You know what I'm saying? Versus what the defendant is saying about you. This is why I want it, and this is why I need to do it. This is why I want the house. This is why I want to do that, because I feel like this. I can't do that because I can't do this. I really want to do this, but I can't do it. I don't have enough energy, and I'm honest, I don't have enough energy. I don't have the enthusiasm to go work out. I mean, you've seen it. I've tried 2 days back to back, and I just keep ending up eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches back to back to back to back to back. I just love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and they put weight on me, and I just want to work out, but you know, at the same time, I'm acting like a skinny person that wants to get really, really big. You know what I mean? And it's just not working for me. And so I'm just being honest to you. That's what I really want. I really want to lose this weight. I don't know how to lose the weight. So I need you to help the universe to lose the weight. Now, see, here's the trick. This is what God is going to do. This is what the universe is going to do, folks. You're not necessarily going to get the money to fall off on trees. It's not gonna be something magical happen. See, people would think when they pray, it's like, oh, something magical is gonna happen like right away, handy dandy. No, but like boom, voila, poof, abracadabra. Nothing like that is gonna happen. Nothing like that is gonna happen. You know, and if something does happen like that, it's very, very rare. You know, it's like that one chance of hitting a lotto out of 2 million people. You know, and that's if you really, really need it. You know, but what's really gonna happen is you are probably going to get the energy, or you are probably going to be filled up, you know, with the spirit to really do or go after and commit the actions for what it is that you're praying for. You're just going to feel different because it's all in you. This universe cannot do anything that you are not willing to make happen for yourself. So when you're praying, although you're praying your prayer to the universe and you're stating the truth about everything about your life, you're really talking to yourself. You're really telling yourself what you can't do, what you won't do, what you will do, what you expect out of yourself. That's what's really going on. You know, so you telling yourself this, you're clearing your consciousness of all the reasons as to why you can't obtain what it is that you want to manifest, and you're just being real with yourself. Most of the time, we're not real with ourselves. Most of the time, we lie to ourselves. Most of the time, our ego is all in the way. We can't see the truth about ourselves and what we want because we see all negative thought patterns that are going on in our head, and we never really have the time to sit down and just meditate about it. Now, so here's when the catch comes. Now, here's the second part about praying. This is how you can definitely get an answer from your prayer, folks. Okay, so after you've done all the praying and stuff, right? Here's a trick. Listen closely. Meditate right after. You know, find a nice place in your room, chill, relax, get comfortable, close your eyes, don't think about nothing, and just go into a deep meditation. It only takes like 10 minutes. That's it. A deep meditation. See, most people, they don't manifest things. They don't do this stuff because they don't never make time for it. I've seen so many people, you know, ask, is meditation really real? These be the same people that don't even try to do it. Just do it. Once you pop, the fun don't stop. Once you do it one time, you're going to want to do it again because you're going to see it works. So when you're calm, cool, and collective, and you just letting yourself go, and you're just really, you know, just giving up, and you just really just not thinking about anything, after you've prayed, next thing you know, something really magical is going to happen. And you're not going to realize that it happened until after it happens. This is what meditation is all about. It's about forgetting the fact that you're thinking, all to realize that you had stopped thinking and you saw something when you had stopped thinking. You see what I'm saying? So in that little time of meditation, you're going to get little pictures that come to your mind that you did not bring about. You know, images, answers for the prayer you just prayed. It's going to come to your mind that you had no intention of creating. It just created itself through the universe because you just said that prayer. So it's going to happen. Like boom. Oh, you're going to see it. You're going to see the whole story. You're going to see, you know, the answer to your prayer and everything, how to go about doing it. Whatever this image was that happened while you weren't thinking, now that you're aware in that meditation, you're like, oh, okay, I'm meditating. I just saw something. And, you know, that is what you reflect on. So you go and reflect on whatever it is that you saw during that meditation, and that's usually a hint in there. It's usually a hint in that, like it's usually something inside of what you just saw while you was meditating that you did not bring about. The mysterious universe brought it about, and you saw something. Okay, take that, apply it to what you're about to do now. Now that you're not meditating anymore and you're just living your regular life, take that and apply it, and then things will manifest for you, folks. The thing will manifest. Okay, I know this sounds kind of bizarre, but it really is really real. Or the thing that you just experienced during your meditation, like the pictures and the things in your imagination just made you see something. It gave you an answer to what you need to do in order to get it to manifest. It works. I guarantee this works. So try that, folks. Try that. Let me know if it works for you. If this video resonated with you and you know you're going to try it, simply just give the video a thumbs up. In the meantime, folks, I'll see you in the next video. It's fish.